Hello everyone, welcome to Leetcode Daily Challenge. Today's problem is minimum number of changes to make binary string beautiful. So in this problem, we are given a zero indexed binary string. A binary string is a string that has only zeros and ones in it. They've also given a definition of a beautiful string. A beautiful string is a string that if it is possible to partition the string into one or more substrings such that each substring is of even length and each substring contains only one or only zeros. So if we try to understand what that saying is that we are given 101010. So now we can partition it into 1 0 1 and 0. It should contain only ones and zeros. So if let us suppose we have 1 1 1, so the partition should have only 1 1 1, not 0, or the ones with 0 should not have 1. So this is what they're trying to do. Another condition is that it should have an even length, so we can't partition it into simply 0. We need to have it in some even sized. Okay, so to make it even size, what we can do is we can change any character in string as to 0 or 1 as per what we need to do at particular position in order to optimize it. So let's say here we have 0 1, so we can convert it to 0, and now I will have two zeros, and that will make it of size even length. So this is the overall idea what they want to achieve. So finally what we want to do is finally we have to return the minimum number of changes required to make the string beautiful. Okay, so their idea is very simple. What we will do is basically we'll maintain a counter that will count the continuous frequency of a particular type, either 0 or 1. Answer will be our minimum number of changes required. Okay, so let's see one example. What I'm trying is that I will start iterating from index 1. I will look if my previous element matches with the current or not. If it matches, I will simply increment my counter. But when I reach this position that my current is 0 and previous is 1, it does not match, I will look that if my counter is odd or even. If it is even, simply I know I don't have to make any change, it is a valid partition, just proceed. So I will again update my counter to 1 because now I will start my counting from this index. But if it's odd, now I need to make a change here. So answer will be just simply incremented by 1, so we have to increment it. As per this, the plan is that I will update this one with the 0 here. So now this one here will become 0, and now the counter of the current index that is currently we are setting as 0, it will be 2, because this I'm taking this also into the account. Now I have two zeros and I will continue with my loop. So now what we'll do, this will sort the problem of the previous partition being of even length and having same element. So even if I have only one element, let's see one more example that will have more clarity. 1 0. So if I came to this position, I see that yes, the counter will be 1 and it is modulus 2 will be that it is odd. So I need to either change it to 0 or either I change it to 1 to make it valid. So as per the code I have written, the idea is that it will be changed to 0, and similarly now it will become a valid partition. Let us see one more example to have more clarity. Now I have this even length, sorry, odd length ones. When I come to 0 here, now I will update my previous one. Now this 2 is sorted. Now I continue to look for my zeros, but here the state will be like 1 1 0 0 0 1. Now if I come to 1 again, I will see that number of zeros is odd again, so I need to make a change. So in the next operation this will be updated to 1. So we require two changes here, so answer will be 2. So yeah, this was the overall idea, that I will be iterate over the string. I will look for the continuous element. If the count of the continuous element is odd, increment the answer by 1 because we need to change it, and the counter will update it to 2. It will start from 2 because we have made the previous element also equal to the current element on which we are sitting. If it is even, simply do the simple frequency count that we do and update the counter to 1. And when we are done with the iteration of the entire string, also do check that finally if we have odd or even number. So if that's the case, update it accordingly. Since yeah, that was all for this question. If you have any query, do comment it out. If you have any other alternate solution that works fine, do comment it out. But this works, it beats 100% of the solution. If there is alternate approach that you have, do comment it out. I will begin looking forward to your comments, and if you like it, do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.